Hi everyone, welcome to Trivail. Have you ever thought of doing an absolute challenging trek? Okay, in this video, we will share one of my toughest trekking experience in my entire life. This is the trek to Alang Madan Kulang forts. Alang Madan Kulang are forts in Nashik district, which is in Maharashtra. These forts lies in the Kalsubai range of the mighty Western Ghats. AMK is regarded as one of the most difficult trek in Maharashtra, as this includes multiple climbing and rappelling patches. Thrilling traverse and dense forest cover makes this trek more difficult. You will be staying in caves for nights, which is another unique experience in itself. If you are a beginner trekker, I highly recommend to go with a professional trekking group. In my case, it was Small Steps Adventures. I have done this trek a couple of times in the month of December of 2015 and 16. Since we have multiple climbs, it is very risky to do this trek during monsoon season. As there are 3 forts, the base villages are also 3. For Alang Fort, it is Ambewadi. For the Madan Fort, it is Samrad. For Kulang Fort, it is Kurungwadi. You can start from any of these 3 places as per your travel plans. Ambewadi is the most accessible place from nearest railway station, which is Kasara. It is recommended to utilize local train service for reaching the base village. From Kasara till the base village Ambewadi, you will get private vehicle, but prior booking should be done. Please keep in mind that there are no potable water resources at the top of all the 3 forts. I suggest to carry at least 5 to 6 liters of water along with essential ready to eat food. All the climbs are really tough, so make sure that you are in a good healthy condition before attempting this trek. AMK trek will require at least 2 days to complete all the 3 forts. AMK is surrounded by some of the mightiest mountains like Kalsubai, Vishramgarh, Harihar Fort, Anjaneri, Harishchandragarh, Ajobagarh, Ratangad and Katrabai Peak. You can also see the range of Mahuli from Kulang Fort on a clear day. AMK is the ultimate test to your physical and mental strength. Believe me, once you complete this trek, your entire perspective about the whole trekking thing will change. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts regarding the AMK trick, please leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching.